The consumer tech graveyard is littered with yesterday's darlings, but something is stirring beneath the wreckage.
It's been a tough few years, but the sector is truly reshaping how consumer businesses are built and scaled.
While investors fled to safer B2B bets, the consumer landscape was quietly transforming. The pain was real.
You've got peak D2C brands in COVID, which drove crazy valuations, pricing them like tech companies.
But beneath the wreckage, a new foundation was forming. The moment when artificial intelligence meets everyday consumer friction.
What captivates the imagination on the consumer AI stuff is just the kind of macro why now that it presents to really rethink existing consumer experiences and in fact open up entirely new consumer markets.
Smart money is recognizing a pattern. 4 specific battlegrounds where AI doesn't just improve, it obliterates the old way.
So just to summarize, what you're saying is that we've got fragmentation, opaque markets, complex services, supply-constrained services.
The results speak for themselves. When founders crack the code,
When we look at even some of the big outcomes, consumer-facing businesses, and it's just because they have that capacity to scale and grow very, very quickly when you get it right.
but here's the kicker. Once your AI knows you intimately, switching becomes unthinkable.
But still fundamentally, I think if you're building up a pattern where you feel like your AI assistant or agent knows you well, then the switching costs there are just going to be massive over time.
The question isn't whether AI will reshape consumer markets. It's whether you'll capture the upside or watch from the sidelines as others build the empires of tomorrow. Hear the complete playbook from Joe and Mike at True on this episode of the EUVC podcast.